Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Binance US to a bank account. First, log into your Binance US account and navigate to the Wallet section. You'll need to ensure your bank account is already linked and fully verified to proceed with withdrawals. Also, be aware of your daily withdrawal limits, as these can differ based on your account's verification status. For example, fully verified US citizens can withdraw up to $1 million daily via wire transfers. Once logged in, if you hold cryptocurrency, you'll first need to convert it to USD. Then, head to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. Choose the Fiat option, which allows you to transfer funds directly to your bank account. Carefully enter the amount you wish to withdraw, making sure it falls within your daily limits. Remember, ACH transfers are often free, but wire transfers may incur a fee, typically around $25. Before finalizing, meticulously review all your bank details, including the account and routing numbers, to prevent any errors. Double-check the withdrawal amount and be aware of any applicable fees, such as the $25 charge for wire transfers. Finally, you will need to complete your two-factor authentication to securely authorize the transaction. This crucial step helps protect your funds and ensures only you can initiate withdrawals. After confirming, keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming funds. ACH withdrawals usually process within 1 to 5 business days, though times can vary depending on your bank. If you encounter any issues, ensure your account is fully verified and that you have sufficient funds to cover any fees. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.